what is this? You've got a selfie stick.
Okay, so you're on Fame right now, and you're live on Fame, and there are a lot of people who are watching you, as you can see.
Okay.
You can see a lot of people watching you right there. They want to know what you're wearing, about your jewelry, and all of that.
I'm wearing Shamlan Bhumika and this is Birdi Chand.
And how do you feel at this point in time?
Feel good? There's no point that I don't feel good. परेशान नहीं कर रहा था, लंबा है ड्रामा के लिए, पर मुझे पता नहीं था कि मुझे इतने सारे टर्न्स करने पड़ेंगे. यूजुअली रैम्प वॉक में सिर्फ एक बार जाना पड़ता है ना, आगे पीछे, पर अदरवाइज इट्स लुकिंग वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, सो आई एम हैप्पी विद इट.
हर बार रैम्प पे वॉक करना कितना नया और कितनी नर्वस रहती हैं आप?
मैं ज़्यादा आजकल करती नहीं हूँ. आई थिंक IIGW के लिए आई डोंट नो, इतने साल से मैं कर रही हूँ, मैं भूल जाती हूँ कि सेंटर में देखना है. तो मुझे बहुत पसंद आता है. जैसे संजय भाई ने कहा था कि ये ज्वेलरी इंडस्ट्री के लिए बहुत ही ये हमारा हम्बल अटेम्प्ट है प्रमोट करने के लिए इंडियन ज्वेलरी इंडस्ट्री. और मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ कि पिछले 6 साल से मैं भी IIGW की ब्रांड एम्बेसडर रही हूँ और काउंसिल की ब्रांड एम्बेसडर पिछले 7 साल से रही हूँ. और I feel long association with the jewelry industry and with the whole team has actually really benefited us both. I have a great, I have a knowledge of jewelry, more of jewelry and the industry now, and how beneficial it is for our country for us to promote the jewelry industry.
Sonam, you've been associated with IIGW for so long now.
Since the beginning, since the first.
This is the 6th year now. So over the years, how difficult has it been for you? You know, so many jewelry pieces you keep seeing, you know, around you for so many years. Does it become very tempting for you?
Of course. You all have also been coming for the past 6 years. It's not tempting for you guys.
Yeah,
No, it is. I mean, the whole point of this show is for people to buy the jewelry, and as a brand ambassador, I'm the first one to get a taste of all of it. And yes, I do. In fact, we have exhibitions from 6th to 8th that are going on right over here, and my mother is the first one to go and suss everything out. So yes, I do buy a small piece or a big piece every year.
You really buy?
Yes.
If I may add, her mother is a great designer of jewelry. Yeah?
As well. No, I feel jewelry is an investment as well. As you know what the gold prices are, and the price of gold has become so much right now, and the price of everything is great. So it appreciates. Jewelry always appreciates. So it's a great investment. It's something that makes you look beautiful, and I think it just makes me happy.
And have you become a wiser user now? You know, considering when it comes to buying jewelry.
I've never been wise. I've never been wise when it comes to shopping.
But Sonam, the rate of gold has actually gone down.
Has it?
Yes.
No, yaar, it's still
Yes, it has.
expensive. 23 हो गया? हो गया? Okay, fine, ठीक है.
इंडिपेंडेंस डे
Happy Independence Day to when is this 15? But still, okay, Happy Independence Day to everyone.
You actually also tweeted about the pawn ban.
Yes.
The government has, but now they have taken back a few of the sites. So what do you?
Few of the sites.
Yeah.
No, I just feel you can't keep banning things. But you know, I said what I had to say. I can't.
Sorry.
Why don't you all stand there? No, I said whatever I had to say on social media, and I feel like there's so many people who already spoken about it, and you'll have covered it so much. I don't know. Let's see what happens to our country. Thank you.